thanks so much for watching this video and welcome back. I'm going to give you a little tour of my pop vinyl shelves today. I've mainly collected Disney ones, but a few bits and pieces of different fandoms as well. The first shelf I'll show you is the top left, and here is the up shelf. I have the Carl and Ellie exclusive, Carl and then Doug, and an adventure journal at the back. So up the top here as well, I also have Kevin with the Up House. That was an exclusive as well. I might have bought 2 of those. The next shelf down from the up section is the Relativity section. So I've got Linguini, a Remy Chase, Emile, and plain old Remy at the top. At the back here I've also got an Eiffel Tower light, which looks great behind Remy, but today it decided it wasn't going to work. So the next shelf down are all my Christmas or winter related characters. So I've got Elf on the left there, Sven, Glitter Olaf. I've got a few snowflakes there that are meant to light up, but they also decided not to work today. I've also got the Grinch, Max, Olaf with kittens, and Elsa at the back as well. The next shelf down is very bare. I'm still collecting this section, but it is Willy Wonka and Charlie Bucket with the golden ticket. You probably can't see very well, but the detailing on the golden ticket is just amazing. Next shelf down again, so this is the Incredibles section, Incredibles 2. So I've got the Violet Chase, Void, limited edition, and Chrome Jack Jack. Next shelf down I have all the character pops from Home Alone. Home Alone's one of my OG favourite Christmas movies, so I had to get all 3. So above the next shelf along I've got Tigger and Winnie the Pooh pillows. I think I either won them from an arcade or the Easter show. And the next shelf down I've got some of my glitter pops. So they're mainly Disney pops, but as you can see I've got Genie, Light Fury, Gus Gus in the Slipper, Dumbo, Tinkerbell, the Evil Queen and Snow White, and Maleficent and Aurora as well. The next shelf down are all my Stitch pops. So I've got the Halloween Stitch there, the first scented pop. And I've also got the Glitter Stitch with the little mini Starbucks. So Angel is actually made from sort of like mini Legos. They're called connection blocks and the brand is Link Go. It does say 9+ on the box, but it did not feel like that when I was doing it. So here I've just got my Disney Castle light, and behind it the Disney Castle watercolor painting as well. So next, moving on to the Winnie the Pooh section, I've got my Eeyore Chase Pop Diamond Glitter. And on top of that, just the regular old grey glitter one as well. Behind that I have glitter Winnie the Pooh, a few Winnie the Pooh mugs, Tigger and Winnie soft plush toys behind there, and in front Piglet holding some presents. Alrighty, so next shelf down I have my Toy Story section. So I don't have all the characters, some are very hard to find and very expensive now. It's sort of the same with all my shelves really, all my different themes. They're not a complete collection, but they are a collection in progress. But I do have 2 Buzz Lightyears, 2 different Woodies, Mr. Pricklepants, Mr. Chuckles. Also got Bunny and Ducky plushies up the back there as well. And a Benson limited edition fall exclusive, I think. And just randomly some Ushies scattered everywhere as well. Next shelf down again, so on the right there I've got Rapunzel and Pascal and Merida, Vulpix and Porg, they're the Star Wars ones that I have, Fairies from Sleeping Beauty, the Maleficent Chase, also have the Good Luck Bear Chase and 11 Chase, Woody RC, Pizza Planet Truck, Kiss the Girl Mermaid. The water knock is just hiding on top of the Stitch with duckies there. I couldn't quite fit it in. On top of the next shelf along I have a Heffalump plush toy. This shelf is very mismatched, but I've got Wally, Eva, Mini Wally, and a few of the Despicable Me characters as well. So you got Kyle, Lucky, Fluffy, Gru and Tourist Jerry. Next shelf down, so this one is Beauty and the Beast themed. I've got my rose candle in the middle, and Beast, Glitter Bell, Cogsworth and Lumiere, and just a random rose and chandeliers around there. The chandeliers, again, do light up, but they also chose not to work today. Next shelf down is a bit of a mixture as well, so this shelf is Fantastic Beasts related. So you've got Picket, Niffler, and I just put a few cheeky knickknacks in front of him as well. Forks in the background. So Newt on the right of my owl plushie, and on the left is Dumbledore and Hedwig. In the background there I've got one of my Galaxy paintings as well, and Nagini is hiding in the background there. So that's the limited edition summer convention exclusive. Next shelf down are the troll pops I currently have. I was hoping to get a chase pop of Branch, but I haven't been able to yet. So I've just got Poppy and Guy Diamond so far. I didn't really want to buy any of the new characters that I haven't seen yet from the new movie because I don't know if I'm going to like them. So I want to wait and see if I actually like the characters first before buying a pop. Next shelf are the characters that I have from the Avengers, and I've just got a random popcorn tin that I got from the movies. So you've got Doctor Strange there, Groot at the front, Captain America, and Black Widow and Hawkeye. Next shelf down is just, I really don't know what's happening with this section. This is just pops that I didn't know what to do with, so they got put here. So I've got Miranda Priestley, John Wick with his dog, and the Quasimodo limited edition exclusive. Just, they have no relation to each other, but they're going to chill next to each other until I know what to do with them. Next shelf along at the top, so this is my Lion King section. Don't have all the characters again, but just a couple of my favourites, so Timon and Pumbaa and Zazu. Also have just a couple Ushis at the front as well. Shelf down, I guess, is my strong female characters shelf, I suppose. So I've got Wonder Woman there with her mum and aunt, Harley Quinn Glitter, and Ash from League of Legends. So behind Harley Quinn I have a So Sassy It Hurts heart symbol, solely because they kept falling over, so I had to have something there to prop them up. I don't know if many of you play League of Legends, but Ash is always my favourite character and the character I regularly play, so I figured I had to get a pop of her. So that is pretty much all my themed pop shelves. The rest are just games, art supplies, books, and art stuff I don't really know what to do with, so they're just chucked on the bottom shelf there. So in my room where I used to have my pops, I had little shelves on the wall. So these are the pops that don't fit into any of my themes. So I just have a couple of books in the middle there and just random pops I don't know what to do with. So for now they're just gonna live right there in my room. Well, that concludes my pop vinyl tour of my shelves so far. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Whoa.